Hi everyone, my name is Khalid, and in this tutorial I want to share knowledge on student engagement strategies. Yes, student engagement strategies. If you are in the area of teaching and learning, this content is very valuable for you. I request you to stay in this tutorial. You will find this tutorial informative. I'm sharing the screen with you, and I hope you will find these student engagement strategies very useful. So as you can see in this, first is a reciprocal teaching. Now, what is reciprocal teaching? Reciprocal teaching technique can increase reading comprehension and get students excited to participate, like predicting, questioning, clarifying, and summarizing. I repeat, reciprocal teaching can increase reading comprehension, get students excited to participate, like predicting, questioning, clarifying, and summarizing the content. Next is blended learning. Blended learning combines learning tools with traditional classroom methods in several different ways, like rotation, individual, and online learning. Then number third is active learning. Active learning technique encourages students to work with their classmates to discuss a problem, solve an issue like three-step interview, play devil's advocate, and the pause procedure. Next is education technology. Education technology basically helps students develop 21st century skills while also keep them engaged in learning. In last, it is personalized learning. Personalized learning technique substantially helps students stay motivated and engaged in learning, and moreover encourage them to participate in self-advocacy. I hope these 5 student engagement strategies will help you understand how to engage the students in your classroom, especially after COVID-19. Student engagement strategies play a very important role in any classroom, in any area. If you need more explanation to this topic or any other topic in the area of teaching and learning, please do contact me. I am really thankful to you for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much.